We're back. It's me and Danny here with the Summer Savers, and today we're going to be magnet fishing and regular fishing in the Tomo River. So it is on my chest now, and already off the bat I see a ton of stuff in the river. Pull this up and see what it is. I think I got it. Got him. Okay, let's see what I'm pulled up. Look at this, guys. What is that? It has a charger too.
Yeah, it looks brand.
Looks like somebody used it. Okay, let's collect some more stuff. Perfect cast. Now to reel it in. Let's try to get this stuff off the bottom of the ground. Oh wow, guys, comment down below if you know what this is. That's wild, crazy find. Ooh, we got something for you guys. Oh, we got a sunglass case. Hey, you know it, it looks painted. If anybody's watching in Folsom, California, we just got your case. That looks Don't pollute the river. Okay. Looks like I got another thing. Bringing it up now. We have... What the whoa? What the whoa? Okay, yeah. Well, I have a tetanus shot, so we're good. But like, look at this, John. Look at that. That looks like a dog tag. Whoa, wait, no, it is a dog tag. Yo, that's a tooth. Yo! Yo! Guys! It's fine. I got you. Okay, let's drag it like the little teeper fade. That was it. I'm gonna cut that. Do I have another one? Oh my gosh! Danny, I got a pocket knife! Danny! Whoa! Guys! Oh, no, we don't. Drag it through. Pull it up. And wow. Whoa, what is this? What? It is like a magnet. Look. It says Dreamer. Wow, look. Somebody lost that. We are on our way up the hill and to try and catch fish and get more stuff out of the river. See you in a bit. Alright, we are at our new spot. We're walking to these rocks. It is freezing. But the weather here, it's very hot. Guess how hot it is, guys. Folsom, it is 89. High today is gonna be 95. Okay, and we are on our way. As you can see, guys, we caught absolutely nothing. So, but it is very hot. It's like 95 right now, the high of the today. So we're gonna do some rock jumping.
Praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let a man pass all his dirty remarks. One love. Well, there is one question I'd really love to ask. And is there a place for the sinners who have hurt all mankind?
Alright, as you can see, I jumped it off of it. It was pretty awesome. So now we're gonna go back to magnet fishing. We got from magnet fishing. Starting off, we have a bunch of junk. Then we have this cool, like, magnet. Then we have a Michael Kors, like, button thing. Bottle caps. A welding machine. A necklace with teeth and stuff on it. This thing. A carburetor. And a pocket knife. That still works.